Hello, friends. Welcome back to Word Search World, where learning English is simple, fun, and full of discovery. Today's puzzle takes us into a place where people work, organize ideas, and get things done every day: the office. An office is a place full of tools, objects, and materials that help us study, write, plan, and communicate. From desks and computers to papers and pens, everything has a purpose. Get ready to explore today's word search and find all the hidden office words. Remember, the words can be hidden across, down, diagonally, or even backwards. So keep your eyes sharp and your mind focused. Let's take a closer look at the words you need to find. Office, a place where people work, study, and organize tasks. Chair, something we sit on while working or studying. Paper, used for writing, printing, and drawing. Stapler, a tool used to hold papers together. Desk, a table where we write, read, or use a computer. Printer, a machine that prints documents from a computer. Folder, used to keep papers organized and safe. Pen, a tool used for writing with ink. Notebook, a book where we write notes, ideas, or information. Computer, an electronic device used for work, communication, and learning. All these objects help us stay organized, productive, and ready to complete our tasks. They are part of everyday life at school, at home, or at work. Now it's time for the challenge. Look carefully at the puzzle and try to find all 10 words. Some words may be easy to find, while others might be hidden in tricky places. Take your time, stay focused, and enjoy the process. Word searches are a great way to improve your English vocabulary, train your brain, and develop concentration skills, all while having fun. If you enjoyed this office word search, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new learning adventure. More exciting puzzles are coming soon about animals, food, nature, actions, space, and many more. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. Keep searching, keep learning, and keep growing your English skills every day. See you next time in another Word Search World adventure.